Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fitbit Charge 6 sleep tracking. To begin, ensure your Charge 6 is comfortably snug on your wrist, about 1 finger's width above your wrist bone. A proper fit is crucial for accurate heart rate and sleep data. Make sure your device is charged to at least 30% before bed to avoid interruptions. Sync your device with the Fitbit app to confirm all settings are correct for sleep tracking. This initial setup ensures you capture comprehensive sleep insights from the very first night. Your Fitbit Charge 6 tracks 3 main sleep stages: light, deep, and REM. Light sleep prepares your body for deeper rest. Deep sleep is vital for physical recovery and growth, often occurring in the first half of the night. REM sleep, typically happening later, is crucial for mental restoration, memory consolidation, and dreaming. Understanding these stages helps you see how restorative your sleep truly is, providing valuable insights into your overall health and well-being. The Fitbit app provides a daily sleep score, ranging from 0 to 100, which summarizes your night's rest. This score considers 3 key factors: duration, how long you slept; restfulness, how much you moved; and restoration, the quality of your sleep stages. A score above 85 is generally considered excellent. Reviewing this score daily helps you identify patterns and understand the impact of your daily habits on your sleep quality, guiding you towards better rest. To improve your sleep, focus on consistency. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Optimize your sleep environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Use the insights from your Charge 6 to adjust your routine, aiming for a higher sleep score and more restorative nights. Small changes can lead to significant improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.